Wait, Singapore's not really? Most of my Asian family lives in Singapore. There's prime in those vending machines. The world's most expensive.
Hi.
What? No way! $30 for the pink one? That's crazy! And people are buying them! Yeah, the most expensive flavor sold out! What's the $40 flavor? Oh, the white one maybe? Yeah, it's gotta be Metamoon. The grape one is dog shit. I had that at the gym several months ago. Worst drink I've ever had. I'm sorry, Mr. Paul, but holy shit, I really did not like the grape prime. It was nasty. They're all garbage. Bro, it's because they were sold out of water bottles and like Gatorade, and the water fountain wasn't working. So I was like, it's fine, I'll just buy a prime. I'll try it. It was disgusting. I couldn't even finish half of it. I really did not like it. It was way too sweet. Dude, like $60 on Prime right now? Not USD? Oh, true. My American ass. 30 Singapore dollars to USD. I mean, it's not that much better. 30 Singapore dollars is 22 US dollars. It's not much better. That's crazy. Man. Oh, they have the US dollar prices. 960 USD. Man. I think Bonnie's still on the butterfly. Being friendly. Oh, this is cozy. Oh, in the glass. Nice. Sweet sugar-free soda. Sweet and sugar-free? They all have the little rotating table. The caffeine at work. Yes, Singapore dollars, $30, 22 US dollars. That's crazy.
How long until refund Bunky's sleep?
Why are you guys so mean? Blurtown, thanks for 23 months. Yeah, I really did not. A strong, sweet strawberry yogurt flavor. Yeah, these are too sweet, but I think it's because it's made for kids.
You're my favorite gaming React streamer. Wait, I meant gay React streamer.
Love that. Wait, Mago, Prime might get investigated by the FDA because it has the same amount of caffeine as 6 cans of Coke or 2 Red Bulls? What do they mean? What the fuck? That's crazy. I don't think I've had one of their. Ooh, look! Singapore's so pretty. I think I've been to this mall. Yeah, I've been to this mall. Didn't buy anything, but I've been here. Expensive branded goods stores. I thought that was August. I just walked by. A vending machine that sells gold? Why?
And experts say the government's latest move may boost gold trading among retail investors.
Oh, for investment?
It's essentially money.
Interesting.
It's a sensible idea and a practical idea. I think it's a good way to encourage particular retail investment demand among Singaporeans. We want that solid base, I think, within the country in order to help it develop as a trading hub and to develop as an international center.
Analysts estimate the value of gold traded in Singapore to be worth about $282 billion over the last year. Gold traders say for investors, the exemption of GST on investment-grade gold
The
will
cheapest
level
gold
the playing
weighs
field of precious
318.
GST on money, that is essentially money.
I decided on the.
It's a sensible idea.
I like the looks of it, and it's a better deal. Oh wow. How come we don't have cool vending machines in the US? I'm starting to sound like Nick. Nick's always like, America just sucks. America thinks they're the best, but they're not. We suck.
Gold.SG is a brand trusted by Singaporeans and supported by Spring Singapore, an agency
They're called
that
loot
investigates
boxes.
trade in industry.
Bro, this also, the culture's just different in Singapore. Like, one of my aunt's friends dropped sunflower seeds on the ground, and he got fined $200 for littering. Like here, if that happened, they would probably get sued, and like, the cop would get fucking punched. But in Singapore, that's just normal. Like, imagine like litter gang in Singapore, you would go to jail. Oh wow, this wrapped up so nice. Is chewing gum illegal? I think so. Yeah, it's banned. $999.9 pure gold. Wow, lovely. A merlion. Yeah, the gold is way smaller than I thought it would be. I thought it was gonna be like this. A car vending machine? What is this? No way this guy buys a car. I saw the Porsche and the Audi, guys. Where's the Corvette? Hello? Guys?
Apa?
Oh shit, here it comes.
The system
Corvette outside of America? Yeah, totally, right? Why wouldn't they? What is this?
We'll turn around.
So do you just walk up to this, be like, I want that one, and then you just drive off with it? I don't understand. Why does this car look like... expensive. It's too expensive for this video budget, so it has to go back. Aw, man. You don't get to test drive it. Darn it. Fuck, I have the soda burps. Because it's League of Legends Ultimate Limited Edition XP flavored Coca-Cola creations. Goodbye, car. What? I like these quiet videos, but then I ruin it by talking over it. An even newer car vending machine. Showcase the first of the game, Gran Turismo 7. Where's the Corvette, guys? Hello? They look like toy cars. Cool. I wonder if they get a lot of business. I feel like there's no way. Cool video. Yeah, I was watching Henya watch this channel and I was having a good time.